Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 112th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. How to demonstrate font weight. We'll start with HTML tag. Sorry, doctype HTML. HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS. Font weight normal. Now we'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line. Font weight, now we'll add style tag, head tag, body tag, now we'll add div tag, now we'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line. Body tag and HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 12 with extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. Local disk D HTML and 112th program. So this is our basic output of how to demonstrate font weight, and don't forget to check the text and description for the clear and basic understanding, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment the channel for the amazing computer hacks.